Hi guys, my name is Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. This video is basically gonna be about this novel, which is November 9 by Colleen Hoover. I will say like these days, maybe like a week almost, I've been reading this novel. And on this video, basically, I'm gonna talk you a little bit about what I've read so far, and I'm gonna be reading it with you guys. So yeah, something like maybe a reading vlog or something. So yeah, we have this the protagonist. She's called Fallon, and she basically she's 18 years old. Um, the novel starts basically that she's on a dinner, yeah, like lunch dinner date with her father, that he was like a famous superstar like a decade ago. So this type of shows, typical American shows, I don't know if it was comedy or whatever. The thing is that her relationship with her father is a little damaged, basically because um, when she was like 16 years old, she was alone in her father's apartment, and her father forgot her there, that she was there basically, and it happened a fire, right? And she got burned basically, and yeah, that was a very traumatizing thing for her. And her father is like arrepentido, like, since then their relationship is very not very good. I don't know how to explain to you, but the thing is that in this dinner, they're like talking and having food, and she wants to give him the news. She delivers the news that she wants to. Okay, let me explain to you. They live in Los Angeles, California, and yeah, like she's like tired of basically her father is recognized by every people they walk through. um she used to work with her father like as actress, teenage actress. And when it happened about the fire, like everything changes, like she stopped doing acting. And the thing is that she wants to go live to New York so that she can go back, continue her career, but this time in theater. So like her father doesn't like the idea very much, since the fire happened, like trying to convince her that it's gonna be the same. Like he knows how the industry works, and she feels disappointed and mad at him because basically um, he doesn't believe in her that she can do it. And yeah, it's basically a lot of issues in this dynamics. And when it gets a little rocky, the conversation, and in this lunch dinner, it comes the other main character, who is called Ben. um, he's a teenager, well, 18-year-old like her, and sits out of nowhere next to her, pretending to be her boyfriend, right? So that, because basically her father was being an a-hole, sorry for the word, but yeah, he was not being very supportive of her. So like Ben was like defending her, in this case pretend to be her boyfriend in front of her father. And so the dynamic was very funny and awkward. And so like then in one moment, while her father leaves, and they after that it starts the dynamics between Fallon and Ben. So basically I'm in the part where like she was packing her stuff to go to New York that same night. And yeah, it gets very interesting from that point on. So yeah, basically is that I'm gonna be reading it. And what I understand from this novel is that the protagonist Fallon which is a teenage girl, 18-year-old, and Ben, they meet every November 9th. That's what I understood about what it's about. And this novel, there's mixed feelings. Like, a lot of people are like not liking this novel very much because apparently Ben is a big red flag. And I wanna just read and see what's all the fuss about. So yeah, I'm gonna read to you a little bit here. I'm gonna read you this here. Okay. Fallon meets Ben, an aspiring novelist, the day before her scheduled cross-country move. Their untimely attraction leads them to spend Fallon's last day in LA together, and her eventful life becomes the creative inspiration Ben has always sought for his novel. Over time, and amidst the various relationships and tribulations of their own separate lives, they continue to meet at the same date every year. Until one day, Fallon becomes unsure if Ben has been telling her the truth or fabricating a perfect reality for the sake of the ultimate plot twist. Can Ben's relationship with Fallon, and simultaneously his novel, be considered a love story if it ends in heartbreak? Da-da-da. So yeah, I'm basically gonna continue reading it. Right now, I'm page 64, which is from, well, actually this novel is not divided in chapters. It's divided on point of views. Right now, we're on Fallon's point of view, and I'm on page 64. So yeah. So I'm gonna be reading, and you can read along with me if you have the novel. And if not, maybe you could check if it's on Audible or an audiobook on YouTube, November 9 by Colleen Hoover, or maybe buy it on Amazon or any bookstore near you. So yeah, November 9 by Colleen Hoover. well, guys, I'm gonna leave it here for now. Let me know in the comments if you wanna know more about details of November 9 by Colleen Hoover. You wanna keep reading it with me. And basically, on the part where I am, they're talking about the deal that they're doing about meeting each other every November 9th of every year in a span of 5 years till they're 23 years old, and to see if they stuck to the plan. And basically, they can know if she continues with the auditions and he writes the novel about the story of them. And yeah, basically that's where I'm at before she leaves. She's there in the airport right now, about to leave to New York. And yeah, basically that's the part where I am. Page 74, and then like 3 more pages. I'm 2nd November 9th. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. Thank you guys for being here. And see you next time. Bye.